Hi, smart kids. I'm Money Girl, your superhero guide to the world of money. Quick question. Do you have a piggy bank at home? Well, what if I told you that your piggy bank has superpowers? It can turn $5 into $60. Okay, before we start the challenge, I need to tell you something super important. Saving money is like planting a seed. You put a little seed in the ground, or a little money in your piggy bank, and guess what? It grows. But you have to be patient and take care of it. Today, I'm going to show you 3 secrets that make money grow faster. And parents, stick with us. Later in the video, I'll show you the exact system that makes this work at home, plus a free printable tracker. Secret number 1, use a clear jar, not a piggy bank you can't see through. Why? Because when you see your money growing, it makes you want to save more. Let me show you. This is my friend Timmy. He's 6 years old.
Hi. Money Girl told me to save my coins in this jar.
Every day, Timmy added just 1 coin. Sometimes a penny, sometimes a quarter. He didn't spend anything from this jar. Watch what happens. A week later, Timmy's jar was half full.
Whoa, look how much I have now.
Timmy saved $4.50 in just 1 week. See how the clear jar makes it exciting? You can see your progress. Okay, here's secret number 2, and this one is really cool. It's called the matching game, and you need your parents' help for this one. Parents, pay attention. This is your part. Here's how it works. For every dollar your child saves, you add 50 cents to this matching jar. So if they save $10, you add $5. That means they now have $15. It's like you're giving their money superpowers. This is called matching. It teaches kids that saving gets rewarded.
So Mom, if I save $4.50, you add.
I'll add $2.25. That means you'll have $6.75 total.
Whoa, that's almost $7.
See? Timmy's money just grew bigger with the matching game. Secret number 3, you need a goal. What are you saving for? A new toy? A video game? A trip to the ice cream shop? When you have a picture of your goal, saving becomes fun, not boring. Here's what you do. Draw or print a picture of what you want, then write how much it costs. Let's say it's $20. If you save $2 a week, how many weeks until you get it? 10 weeks. That's about 2.5 months.
I want this Lego set. It costs $25. Money Girl helped me make this chart. Every time I save $2.50, I color in a box. I've done 3 boxes so far. 7 more to go.
We will continue our journey in the next part. Wait for my next video next week. Bring your questions and don't forget your superhero cape. See you soon.